Part 2, you reviewed a short handout on the importance of the consistent use of meaningful math routines in your classroom. In this module, you will learn about a routine that can be used to support the development of mathematical understanding. In the video linked below, you will observe a teacher facilitating the math routine, Same But Different. Same But Different is a math routine where students observe and discuss the similarities and differences between two or more mathematical representations or objects. Through the teacher's intentional facilitation, students analyze, reason, and construct arguments about essential mathematical relationships, patterns, and concepts. These relationships, patterns, and concepts underpin the strategies and models that students use when adding and subtracting. Here is an example of an image a teacher might show at the beginning of the routine. A student might say the blue quantity or number has a 10 in it and the red and yellow quantities or numbers do not. This noticing can lead to a discussion about T numbers and how they are composed of a 10 or more ones. It can also support students in connecting the 10-frame model to a base 10 model. As you watch the video, jot down notes about the big ideas, strategies, and models involved with the same but different number routine. Now that you have watched the video, compare your thinking to ours. To bring this learning series to a close, you will go back to the vision statement for math and identify connections between the assessment and instructional approaches offered and the vision itself. This will help you more completely understand what the vision looks, sounds, and feels like when it comes to life in the math classroom. Go back to the vision statement and make connections to the learning experiences offered in this module. You can review some sample reflections offered on the handout. Use the guiding question to support your thinking. In what ways did you enact the vision for math in terms of students, teachers, and content? We have included additional thoughts about how the teaching tools introduced in this module, such as the Early Childhood Assessment in Mathematics, or ECAM, and the Same But Different routine, bring the New York City Department of Education's vision for mathematics to life in the classroom. The activities offered in this module nurture and develop student ideas. The activities builds on student ideas through an interactive process. Students do not simply receive and repeat the knowledge the teacher provides. The teacher is a facilitator of learning, not the holder of all information and answers. Their role is to be curious alongside students and well-versed in math in order to know which student ideas are most relevant to the learning. Then, through questioning and prompting, the teacher facilitator points out the math from the student's observations, allowing patterns to emerge from student thinking. Students engage in critical thinking and discussion around fundamental math concepts, strategies, and models when adding and subtracting. We took a topic in math that is typically considered easy or a simple skill and explored the deeper mathematics involved. And in doing so, students develop more flexible addition and subtraction strategies that they are able to apply when problem solving. As the last activity of the module, you will be asked to make commitments to incorporate your understanding of what you learned into your teaching practice. The following are sample commitments. I will make time to implement the ECAM 2 times this school year. Next school year, I will implement the ECAM 3 times in the year, the beginning, the middle, and the end. I will have ECAM data discussions with colleagues. I will use the ECAM data to select low-floor, high-ceiling routines. Congratulations! You are now finished with the first grade module.